this is tight bond 3, so it's giving me a little bit more time because I need the time to get this all together. Get glue on all the joints and then get it all clamped up. Okay, now to get this is a Williamsburg elliptical container. It will have a lid, a hinged lid, and after I get this glued together, then I will smooth out the side, the outside face of the container. Right now, all these staves have flat sides, and so I'll need to smooth out the outside before putting on the steel hoops. So that's the next stage, is getting the hoops made. There'll be 2 hoops, about 1.5 inches wide. I first saw this container on a Williamsburg video that was made about 9 years ago in the Cooper's shop. It was on the floor. It was complete, and it wasn't a part of the demonstration at all, but it was just in the video, and it Jim Borland in Michigan showed me that video, and I wanted to make this right away when I saw it. Jim is also making this, and he's ahead of me, and he's been giving me some instructions on how to do these different processes, because this is the first time for me in making a coopered piece. Boy, that glue's going to be a mess on the inside to get off. Hate that. I get some more glue here. There is masking tape holding this together. Masking tape is around the outside border, and hopefully that holds while I get this rolled up with the bottom in place. The bottom fits into that 1/4 inch groove. I'm not going to put glue on the bottom because I think there's enough already in there. Okay, now can I roll this up? Without everything collapsing on me. And Jim Borland showed me how to do this as well. I had no idea this would be the way to pull this together. Okay, now let's get everything. That's okay. Now I gotta get the big one on first. Okay. And now I tighten up these bolts. These bandings here, or clamps. That's pulling together. Then let me get this one on here. Yeah, that seems to be pretty good. Yeah, but here you can have a look inside here. Maybe you can see that. Now, what I'm going to do, see if I can just tap anything down here. I don't know. This is pretty even on top, so I don't see any problem there. Okay, I'm gonna just see if I can pull those clamps in a little bit tighter. Yeah, that came in tighter. That's about as far as I'm going to go. Okay. I would say I'm done with the gluing. So there's a top that goes on here with a handle on it, and hinged over a piece that is fast screwed down, and the hinges are actually going to be made out of cowhide. That's the way the original was. Here, I'll show you the bottom. 20 slats. Elliptical. It's about 15 inches high, about 18 inches in the long dimension. I forget what the short dimension is. And tomorrow then I can smooth out this outside faces, and then it'll be ready to work on the hoops.